Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo at Parts People, and in this video, we'll outline the steps for completing a part replacement on your Dell PC. Visit our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. Unscrew and remove bottom base. Now unscrew and disconnect battery. Now unscrew and remove bracket. Then disconnect antennas and remove wireless card. Now unscrew and remove bracket, then disconnect display cable. Now unscrew and remove display assembly. Now use fingers to separate and remove bezel. Now unscrew and turn over screen. Then disconnect and remove screen. Next, unscrew and remove hinge cover. Now disconnect display cable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.